Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to link your Instagram account to your Facebook profile so people on Facebook can see what your Instagram profile is. So what you want to do here is select the About tab, select Contact and Basic Info. So there should be a social link option here, unless you already have one, in which case we already have Twitter on here. But if you want to add more than one, you select the little pencil icon next to it, and you can select the drop down here and you can select Instagram, and then you can type in your username and then select the save button, and now you'll have more than one. You'll have the Instagram link here as well, or it will replace the other one. So you can just select the add social link option to then add multiple ones. So you can have a Twitter one, an Instagram one, for example, and then once you're done you would select save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.